Now, wow, my people, who can guess where this place is in Abia State?
Living in this area, this is the almighty Port Harcourt Road. This is the almighty Port Harcourt Road. You can see. You can see. You can see. This is National High School fence. All these places are turned to dirty dump. Over 12 years. The past administrations did nothing on this road. Many people has died on this road because of how deplorable this road is. Please, Dr. Alex Oti, this is people's building. This is people's property. This is people's building. They left them all and they ran away from this place for their life.
This is the almighty Port Harcourt Road before the re-emergence of Alex Oti, Governor Dr. Alex Oti. Before Dr. Alex Oti came into power, this is what the almighty Port Harcourt Road in Abia State looks like. Very deplorable state, like it's nothing to write home about. For years, for over 40 years, the people of Abia State have called upon all the ruling governors. Absolutely nothing was done about it. This is Port Harcourt Road in Abia State. Meanwhile, permit me to greet you all specially. It's a brand new week and I wish us all the success, all the goodness that a new week comes with. Also, this is a subtle reminder to all our dearest viewers all over the world. For all your media and digital needs, we at Digital Creators Hub, in conjunction with Ebony People TV, is here to settle all of your media and digital needs. Do you need any form of coverage, media coverage, digital marketing? Digital Creators Hub is here to see to that. You can simply reach out to them on their WhatsApp number, on the number now showing on your screen. Meanwhile, here is the popular Port Harcourt Road, Aba, which has been fully recovered by Dr. Alex Oti after 40 years of abandoning it. You all see what it used to look like, but now Alex Oti has come to say enough is enough. Can you see? See what he has done, how he has transformed the whole area. Aside that, he planted street lights in every nook and cranny of the area. You can see how Aba residents are even going as far as celebrating, popping all the old poppables, champagne, you know, in celebration of this. Because what do you expect? It has never been heard in the history of Abia State.
First in history. First in history. Hey! People are celebrating the work of Oti today for how many years? Street light. Street light. Street light in Port Harcourt Road. People are very, very excited. Enjoyment. 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 Very long. Very long. People are very, 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 very happy. You hear the vibration of machines. Okay. Hello. You say, I'm you.
No vacancy in Abia government house is going to be example.
People are very, 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 very happy. People are very, very happy. For many years, nothing like street lights. Nothing like street lights. Look at it. 540 Port Harcourt Road. For many years, nothing like this. Okay. Celebration. 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 Oh, yes, the father mother, yeah, man. Hey, ya change you what I kill. For supported LSOT enjoyment. LSOT enjoyment. Yes.
Before. By 4 o'clock, we will not call them.
Okay.
Yeah. Because
Chipakwa again. More power to your elbow. This is just the beginning. See, for how many years? For how many years? What? 24 years. No movement. Okay. You're welcome. Yes. I already sell my rain boots. I dash it to people. No more rain boots. See the one I'm wearing. See my leg. Bye bye rain boots. I'm okay. See shoe. See shoe. Okay. Okay. The beggar people, they are walking. They are walking up till now. That's why the heavy rain.